Good day, everyone. We are still on construction, but today we're going to talk about 90 degree, 180 degree, and 45 degree using a pair of compasses to construct them. How are we going to do it? First and foremost, as we used to do, we're going to make our straight line. Make your straight line. Having made your straight line, you will look for your origin anywhere. So let me place my origin here. My origin started from 0, and that is where I'm going to place my a pair of compasses. First and foremost, I want to make my angle 180 degree. Don't forget, you have to provide your arc. It depends on how you want it to be. If you want your angle to be big, you make your arc to be big. If you want it to be small, to be normal, based on the available space you have, you make it small, just like this. Then you place it here. You place it here at the origin to make your angle. This is my angle 180 degree. You can see, starting from here, is headed here, and that is angle 180. Now, I want to bisect angle 180 degree. That one will give me 90 degree. Don't forget, I told you with your arc, the arc I used to make 180 degree is not the one that you're going to use to make your, or to bisect your 180 degree. At least you have to extend it a little more, a little more bit. You have to extend it a little more bit. Then you will now place it at the beginning of 180 degree. Place it here. The one that you have made to make this arc is the one that you are still going to make. You are still going to use to make the second one. You now place it at the end of the 180 degree. By so doing that, you have bisected angle 180 degree, and you will take your ruler to place it at the origin, to rule it, to let the line pass through the point of intersection, and that is our angle 90 degree. That is our angle 90 degree. Then we are done with 180 degree. We are done with 90 degree. Now we want to make our 45 degree. Very simple. That's the same arc we use to make 90 degree. You can still continue using it or make a new one if you like. But whichever arc you use, you place it at the beginning of 90 degree to make a curve. Then you bring it to the end to make another curve. And that one will give you intersection, you can see. Then take your ruler to rule it from the origin to pass the point of intersection, and that one will give us angle 45 degree. And you can see how we have made the three angles, talking about 180 degree, 90 degree, and 45 degree, using a pair of compasses. Then, to be sure of what we have done, to know whether what you have done is correct, you can take your protractor to measure it. You place your protractor to be, you let the center of protractor to be at the origin. You can see now, and that is what we have done. You can see this is 45 correct, 90 correct, and 180 correct. So it means what we have done is correct, using a pair of compasses to construct them. If you really enjoyed our class, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. If you like, you can download it for the your children, and don't forget us on Facebook. Thank you very much.